Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott new rear shocks for the Lincoln MKZ CD533. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process for your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the removal process by raising the vehicle and removing the applicable rear wheel. Then follow the line from the shock to the electrical connection located inside the wheel well and disconnect the electrical connection. Unclip and unroute the shock electrical line and remove the two shock top mount bolts. Following these steps, remove the two bottom mount bolts so you can remove the old shock from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Now insert the new Arnott shock into the vehicle and install the supplied bottom mount bolts. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specification during the entire installation process. Reinstall the two top mount bolts and reroute and connect the new shock's electrical connection. Now reinstall the applicable rear wheel and lower the vehicle. You have now completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear shocks with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.